Welcome back, concept getters. I hope everything is going great in 2024, in 2025, and going forward, right? I hope you understood part one of this video where I was explaining one of the three exponential equations, right, that only required you to just simplify and right. Now this is going to be the second type of exponential equation. With this one, you have to now take out a common factor. How do you know that you're going to take out a common factor? Because your exponent has two terms and the variable x does not have a coefficient of 2. That's how you know it. Oh, here I'm just going to take out a common factor. But how? Let's do it, right? Let's do it. But how? Let's just do it. So we're going to have, remember, we have 2 to the exponent x plus 3 minus 3 times 2 to the exponent x equals to 20, right? Because the exponent has two terms here, I will separate them using the laws of exponents. Remember, they said that when powers of the same base are multiplied by each other, we can add the exponents. Now I'm just going to reverse it, and I'm going to say when a base has two terms on the exponent, I can separate them, and each exponent or each term in the exponent will get its own base, so that we can have two powers of the same base multiplying each other, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say 2 to the exponent multiplied by 2 to the exponent 3. Clear, you just separate them and say minus 3 times 2 to the exponent x is equals to 20. That's basically just the trick. From here on, you see now, we're just going to take out a common factor. Which one is a common factor? The one that repeats itself, 2 to the exponent x. So you can see that 2 to the exponent x, open bracket, would be our common factor, which means we'll be left with 2 to the exponent 3 minus 3 all close equals to 20. Do you see how? Because this and this is a common factor. I took it out. I'll be left with right? So then 2 to the exponent 3 is what, guys? It's 8. 8 minus 3 is 5, which means I will have 2 to the exponent x into 5 is equals to 20. Then I can divide by 5, right? I'll just say over 5 so that they cancel, right? Then I'll be left with 2 to the exponent x is equal to 20 over 5 is 4. Then I can continue here just to save space. I don't want to move the screen, right? So I'll just say from here, I'll just say when I have 2 to the exponent x is equals to 4 is basically 2 squared. I mean, come on, from here it's easy, right? Now, when two powers are equated to each other and both the powers have the same base, I can just drop the bases and be left with the exponents. So I can equate their exponents. So just know, powers of the same base, when they are equated to each other, right, you can eliminate the bases and just equate the exponents. So you'll just say x is basically equals to 2. So I'm dropping the exponent, I'm dropping the bases, and then I'll just equate the exponents. And that's it, guys. So now we solved it. That is how the second equation or exponential equation is solved. Easy, ne? Come on, guys. Now, I can't wait to do the third, because the third is my favorite. It's the one that a lot of students actually struggle with. So, guys, just go to this description and click on the link to get to the third part, and then you'll understand everything that you need to know about exponential equations. But remember, you have to go here. You see and you go like, woo, woo, woo. And you go like, please do what? Subscribe and share with others so that they don't miss out. They also get to get a distinction in math, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on the future videos, because you can see I'm posting, right? And then remember to also comment, like, and all that, right? Because it helps the video to reach other students, so that the whole South Africa, the whole Africa, the whole planet Earth can actually find math easy from here on. Do that make sense? But most importantly, guys, please pray for my handwriting. Yo.